but I do need to upgrade it because of two reasons. One, I have my PlayStation 5 and I want to start messing around with the higher frame rate. That also means I need a better TV than the one I currently have, and I would like to get some better DSP and some calibration tools on the audio side. So the newer ones have Dirac, so I'm really looking forward to checking that out. By the way, I also have an air purifier here, so if you guys don't have an air purifier in your system, I highly recommend it, because dust is one of those things that will fry a system fast.